Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Street Legal Redline car mods. First, what you're gonna do is go to your browser and write street legal mods. Okay, when you are at the website, you go to the downloads and then you select Street Legal Redline. And now cars. You can download any car you want. Okay, when you download the car, you save it. Then you go to the saving place. You extract the car files, and then you open the car folder, and in the folder there's gonna be two items. One is that and one is .rpg. These two items you need to select. Then you go to the Street Legal folder. When you are at the Street Legal folder, you open the cars and then racers. Now you open the folder where are your car and copy them and paste them in this folder, racers. I already did that, so that's all. Golden Gamer, subscribe.